am from class 7 St. Luke's Day School. Today I have made a handmade project on atomic structure planetary model on the element aluminium. These are protons whose charge is plus. These are neutrons whose charge is 0, and these all are electrons whose charge are minus. Aluminium is the 12th most abundant of all elements and third most abundant among the elements that have odd atomic numbers after hydrogen and nitrogen. The only stable isotope of aluminium is 27Al, means aluminium. It is the 18th most abundant nucleus in the universe. It is created almost entirely after fusions of carbon in massive stars that will layer to become type II supernova. These fusions create 26 magnesium, which upon capturing free protons and neutrons becomes aluminium. Aluminium is a chemical element. It has a lower density. It has a density lower than those of other common metals at approximately 1/3 of that steel. It has a great affinity towards oxygen and form a protective layer of oxide on the surface when exposed to air. It visually resembles silver both in its color and ability to reflect light. It is soft, non-magnetic and ductile. Its symbol is Al, atomic number 13, atomic mass unit 26.98154 unit. Proton is 13, neutron is 13, valency is 3 and also electron is 13. Aluminium was discovered in 1825 by Hans Christian Ørsted.
Hello viewers, my name is Shomnisha. I read in class 7 and my school name is St. Luke Day School. Today I am going to show a project made by me on atomic structure. It's a planetary model and I have made a project. My element name is nitrogen. Symbol of nitrogen is capital letter N. The atomic number is 7. The number of electron is 7. Number of proton is 7 and number of neutron is 7. The atomic weight of nitrogen is 14.0067.
My name is Anuj Raha. I am in class 8. I am from KB Kakinada. Today I will show you my planetary model atomic structure project. The element name is sodium. Sodium is a chemical element. It is soft, silvery white, highly reactive metal. Sodium is an alkali metal being included in group 1 in the periodic table and only stable isolated in 23Na. Sodium is the 6th most abundant element in earth crust and it exists in numerous minerals such as feldspars, sodalite, rock salt or NaCl. Many salts of sodium highly water soluble and sodium salts have been leached by actions of water from the earth minerals over eons, and the sodium and the chlorine are the most common dissolved element by the weight of the ocean. Sodium is the essential element for all animals and some parts. Sodium ions are the major cation in the extracellular fluid and the salts are the major contributed to the extracellular fluid osmotic pressure compartment volume. Because of the importance of human health, salt is an important commodity. Symbol is Na, atomic number 11, electron 11, proton 11, neutron 11, Na balance 1, AMU atomic mass unit 22.94984, discovered by Sir Humphrey Durfee. This purple is proton, this yellow is neutron, and these whites are electron, and this is the orbits of.
Friends, my name is Shramadrita Bashak. I read in class 7 in St. Luke's Day School. Today I am going to show a handmade project on atomic structure. It is a planetary model on the element boron. Boron was coined from borax, the mineral from which it was isolated by analogy with carbon, which boron resembles chemically. So, it is a chemical element. Its symbol is B, its atomic number is 5, electron shell is 2 and 3, proton number is 5 and neutron number is also 5. Its valency is 3 and its atomic mass is 10.8 AMU. Boron was discovered by Louis Joseph Gay and Louis Jacques Thénard and Humphrey Davy.
Hello friends, my name is Gargi Das. I read in class 7 in St. Luke Day School. I have done one project of atomic structure. It is a planetary model and I chosen the element carbon. Carbon is the 15th most abundant element in the Earth's crust and the 4th most abundant element in the universe by mass after hydrogen, helium and oxygen. It is the second most abundant element in the human body by mass, about 18.5% after oxygen, and it is a chemical element and also it is a non-metal. Its symbol is capital letter C. Atomic structure is 6. Electron shell is 2 and 4. Protons 6. Neutrons 6. Valency is 4. Atomic mass unit is 12.01 cube and it is discovered by Anthony Lawrence. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Sujoy Das. I am from class 7 in St. Luke Day School. So today I will show you my handmade project of atomic structure, the planetary model of fluorine. Fluorine. Among the atomic structure, the symbol of fluorine is F, capital letter F. The atomic number is 9. The atomic mass unit is 18.998403 U. Proton is 9, neutron is also 9, valence is 1, and the fluorine was discovered by Henry Moisey. Thank you.
Hello viewers, my name is Argo Kundu. I read in class 8 in St. Luke Day School. I have done a project of atomic structure of a planetary model of Jupiter in some of the related of neon all through the different region. The symbol of neon is capital letter N and small letter E, and the atomic number of neon is 10. The valency of the neon is 0 and the number of proton present in this element is 10. Number of neutron are 10 and number of electron is also 10, but in the first orbit there are 2 electrons and in the second orbit there are 8 electrons, altogether 10. The atomic mass of this element is 20.79 AMU. It was discovered by William Ramsay and Amris Travers in 1898. Thank you.
My name is Shobik Shah, a student of class 8, wanting to present you a project of atomic structure planetary model of element magnesium. Magnesium is the 8th most abundant element in the Earth's crust and the 4th most common element in the Earth after iron, oxygen and silicon, making up the 13% of the Earth's mantle. It is the 3rd most abundant element dissolved in seawater after sodium chlorine. Magnesium occurs naturally only in the combination with other. It is invariably has a +2 oxidation state. This element is the 11th most abundant element by mass in the human body and is essential to all cells and some 300 enzymes. Magnesium ions interact with polyphosphate, ribonucleic acid. Hundreds of enzymes requires magnesium ions to function. Magnesium compounds medicinally as common laxative, antacids, and to stabilize abnormal nerve excitations on blood vessels swarms. In such conditions as magnesium compounds medicinally as common laxative, antacids, and to stabilize abnormal nerve excitations on blood vessels sperm. In such conditions as eclampsia and its chemical element, it is a shiny grey solid which bear a close physical resemblance to the other 5 elements in the second column in periodic table. The symbol of magnesium is capital letter M and small letter G, and the atomic number is 12. It contains 12 protons, 12 neutrons, and 12 electrons. The valency of magnesium is 2, and the atomic mass is 24.305 mg, and it is discovered by Joseph Black in 1755. Thank you.
My name is Anjeshta Ghosh. I teach in class 7 in St. Luke Day School. I have made a project of atomic structure of lithium and oil. Symbol Li, atomic number 3, electrons cell 2 1, protons 3, neutrons 3, valency 1, amount 6.941 U.